Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Love Beauty and Planet Color Shampoo. Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color Muru Butter and Rose Shampoo for Women is cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free, dye-free, and formulated without phthalates. Designed to provide a healthy shine, this shampoo works to cleanse, prevent fading, and nourish color-treated hair. It's really more important to use a color-safe shampoo than conditioner when it comes to color. That being said, this cost-effective option is a must. The sulfate-free formula keeps hair shiny so the color looks vibrant, and it also contains plant-based detangling ingredients to prevent snarls, which is always a good thing. Life should be full of color. Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color Muru Butter and Rose Sulfate-Free Shampoo is a color-protecting shampoo formula designed to deliver a healthy shine. Juicy freshness from the hand-picked Bulgarian rose petal. Muru Butter and Rose Blooming Color Shampoo for color-treated hair gently cleanses hair. Blooming Color Shampoo for color-treated hair is plant-based and helps protect hair color. This color-treated hair shampoo delivers a rich shine and moisturizes for a healthy-looking gloss. Number 2 in this best color-safe shampoo list is Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Olaplex is a staple in the hair coloring industry, with both a reparative and salon treatment that many colorists use while coloring and a popular at-home version. Similar benefits are provided by the shampoo, which is a favorite of Birdie editorial director Hallie Gould. It works to rebuild the hair bonds that are broken during the coloring process, ensuring that strands remain ultra-strong and healthy. That alone earns it first place on this list, but we can't forget to mention that despite being sulfate-free, which is a must for any type of color-safe shampoo, it still foams up nicely and rinses completely clean. Olaplex's bond maintenance with the shampoo thoroughly cleansing her hair without leaving it feeling stripped and keeping her hair feeling fresher for longer. Our third pick is L'Oreal Paris Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This pick is ideal for those who color their hair but are constantly trying to bulk up fine strands. It cleanses beautifully without sulfates, and the formula also helps to increase volume. The minty rosemary scent is invigorating and refreshing, making it ideal for sleepy mornings. Sulfate-free thickening shampoo. Thicker looking hair with this strengthening anti-breakage shampoo for thin fragile hair prone to breakage. This formula is sulfate-free, salt-free, and surfactant-free. Sulfate-free formula with rosemary extract, ever-strong thickening shampoo and conditioner inject strength into thin hair, and are safe for use on color-treated hair. For best results, use ever-strong thickening shampoo and conditioner in tandem, for a nourishing hair care system that fortifies thin, fragile hair. Sulfates are cleansing agents that help break down oil, dirt, and build up on the scalp and hair, but some sulfates can be harsh and stripping. Our sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners are non-stripping and made for color-treated hair. Try with ever-strong break-proof lotion for split-end repair and defense against UV heat damage. Fourth pick in our best color-safe shampoo list is Girl Hair Super Moisturizing Shampoo. A gentle sulfate, alcohol and paraben-free shampoo created with shea butter to thoroughly cleanse your natural hair underneath protective styles and deliver ultimate moisture to thirsty hair. It is specially designed for curly, kinky or coily hair types. Use our multi-step hair care system to cleanse, nourish and protect your hair. Especially formulated for natural and relaxed hair under braids, hair extensions, wigs, and weaves. This cleanser is highly concentrated, yet gentle enough to directly penetrate to the hair and scalp to shorten the wash process. This gentle, highly concentrated moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo with an easy applicator tip is designed for all hair types. It is a daily moisturizing and nourishing shampoo that thoroughly cleanses the hair without stripping it of moisture. It is specially formulated to reduce itchy and flaky scalp and to provide natural hair elasticity and shine to dry and dull hair. A revitalizing blend of tea tree and neem oil provides high content of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory nourishment while invigorating the scalp and washing away impurities and debris buildup. Shea butter hydrates the scalp, protecting and moisturizing the hair and skin. Maintain healthy hair to nourish and encourage growth and provide natural hair elasticity and shine. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo. The longer you can go between washes, the longer your color will last. That's where a great dry shampoo, like this one, comes in. It uses rice starch to remove excess oil, but it's also infused with argan oil that leaves the hair hydrated and shiny, not dull. This variant is designed for dark tones, but there is also a light tones option with subtle violet pigments that remove brassiness and keep your blonde looking fresh. Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo dark tones instantly absorbs oil, odor, and product buildup. Created for brunette and black hair, it features ultrafine rice starches that break down immediately after being massaged into the scalp. This prevents the white, dull reside often left behind by dry shampoos, maintaining the natural richness and dimension of dark hair. Argan oil-infused formula helps protect against UV damage. Shake well. Spray 6 to 8 inches away from dry roots. Let dry, then massage into scalp as you would with wet shampoo. For best results, brush out. Memorable and addictive, the signature Moroccanoil scent is an iconic juxtaposition of spicy amber and musk with sweet floral. For details, let's watch more.